Hello. Today I am back at Leyland Station. I've not spotted from here in quite a long time. The main reason I'm spotting here today, though, is because we appear to have a private charter coming in at some point. If I can find it. There it is. 1 Zulu 54 from Carlisle to Chester, due to arrive at 1837, now expected to arrive at 1819. Now all the departure boards have crashed, but they're all slowly coming back online now. The next service is not expected to be until, let's see, flipping heck. Next service isn't for a while yet. It's the 1818 from Hazelgrove to Blackpool North. Right, well, cross over and catch that. Now, one thing I just want to mention whilst I'm here, you may remember that the boards in the PA system here have a, well, let's say they're quite faulty. Behind the scenes, I have been in contact with Northern. I actually had to resort to Rail Ombudsman, unfortunately, because I wasn't getting a proper response from them. It turns out that these boards, see that little aerial just on the side there, that is connected to cellular mobile, and the exact cellular mobile it's connected to is 2G. That is right, these boards run off 2G mobile signals, which is very outdated nowadays. Northern have promised me that all the boards here are going to get replaced and will be hardwired. In regards to the PA system, they are looking into why it keeps distorting on louder voices. When it goes up to high volume, it doesn't do it, and when manual announcements announced, it doesn't do it either. So it's obviously some sort of connection issue, which they are looking into. I did see some guys here yesterday, but I don't know if that's what they're here to fix. Look there, second train set down service. The other boards say do not board. I wonder if Celia will say anything about them. Also, some details you might never have seen before with station PAs. That's your hearing aid loop. Just up there, that little box, it says ASL in the corner. That is an ambient noise sensor. Essentially, it's just a microphone that detects how loud the ambient noises of the station. See there, it says low and high. When the volume of the station increases, say when a pendolino is passing through, the PA system will kick up to higher volume. Now that is working fine. It's the automated announcements that are having the issues. Now this is very interesting. Both of the 2 November 61. Oh. 319. Was that mentioned? No, it was not. Might be 5 Foxtrot 35 from Preston to Warrington Bank Quay. Not too sure. Anyway, as I was saying, this is going to be interesting because the 2 November 61 from Hazelgrove to Blackpool North is scheduled to arrive here at 1817 on platform 4, and the lost it now. Yeah, that's it. 1 Zulu 54 from Carlisle to Chester is hang on a minute. Hazelgrove to, oh, they're on separate platforms. Ah, my mind went a bit funny then. I thought they were going to have to do some sort of alterations, but no.
3 is the 1818 Northern service to Blackpool North, calling at Preston, Kirkham and Wesham, Halton le Filed, Leyland and Blackpool North. The next train to arrive at platform 3 is the 1818 Northern service to Blackpool North.
Right, that is still not working properly. It doesn't really distort that much when Celia announces. It's when they often have the like COVID or over some sort of engineering work announcement which they've recorded in-house that has the issues. And also, there's no carriage information. That is a fault across Northern. That is not just restricted to this station. All station CISs are doing it for Northern trains, even the ones that aren't operated by Northern. For example, Anne at Preston is behaving exactly the same way. Someone's just pressed the lift alarm. There it is. And the two 331s, Civities. Oh, this is interesting.
4 is the 1825 Northern service to Manchester Airport.
Oh.
Calling at Buckshaw Parkway, Chorley, Adlington, Blackrod, Horwich Parkway, Lostock, Bolton, Salford Crescent, Deansgate.
I thought that was going to be for the Heritage Service, but no. Celia has a very nasty habit of doing that here, announcing some trains far too in advance. 331007, it's the Bond train, the Bond Civity. I know that's a bit cringe. Yeah, as I was saying, Celia has a very nasty habit of announcing trains too far in advance, like 10 minutes. So the front unit is 331007 and the rear unit is 331024. I'm going to stand here so I'm near a speaker that actually works. The one right at the end of platform 4 does not work. Signal took a little while to change then. Right, one of the departure board furthest away from me on this platform is now starting to flash saying passing service. The one closest to me has not yet. But there is going to be an alteration here because this train's going to be... Oh, okay. Interesting.
The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1827 Northern service to Blackpool North, calling at Preston, Kirkham and Wesham, Halton le Filed and Blackpool North. The next train to arrive at platform 1 is the 1827 Northern service to Blackpool North.
that'll be that'll be 1 November 81. Yeah, this is it. 331015. This is the train that Celia announced just earlier, but I don't know why she announced that so early. And there's the Blackpool North train just in the distance. Right, well, this is parked here. I'm going to go back to the centre platform because there's no risk of it pulling in here once this train's here. Three 331 018. 331 022. Right, this is a Royal Mail train. 325013 and then 195123 to Windermere. Three 25002 at the end. And there she is. (47) 270 West Coast Railways. Right, let's cross over and have a close look, shall we? At the back here we have 37706. Sat down service. This service is a sat down only service. Please do not board this train. it's being dispatched now. And that is now heading down to Chester. Right. And one last sneaky appearance from Royal Mail. Right. $88,006. Juno. And now I can finally end my video. Nah, that's what happens. Sometimes you're leaving somewhat good one you want to see passes through. Nothing wrong with that. Right, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.